In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Slack if you want to keep your calendar information more accessible while you work. Connecting Outlook to Slack is a simple way to do it. This can help you stay on top of meetings, availability, and reminders without needing to switch back and forth between apps. I'll walk you through the process directly inside Slack so you can get everything connected smoothly. To begin, open Slack and look over to the left sidebar. Near the navigation area, click on the three-dot menu. This is where Slack keeps additional options that aren't always visible in the main sidebar. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Slack's layout can vary slightly depending on your workspace or app version, but the three-dot menu is the place you want to start. Once that menu opens, click on Tools. This section groups together extra workspace features and integrations, so it's the next step toward finding the app connection you need. Take a moment here to make sure the menu fully expands so you can clearly see the available options. After that, click on Apps. This will take you to the area in Slack where you can browse and manage app integrations. Slack supports a wide range of apps, so this section is essentially the hub for adding new tools to your workspace. Since we're connecting Outlook, this is where you'll find the app that links your calendar with Slack. Now, scroll down until you find the Outlook Calendar app. Depending on how many apps are shown in your workspace, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it. Go slowly so you don't miss it. If the list is long, it helps to stay focused on the app name and confirm that it specifically says Outlook Calendar. When you find the Outlook Calendar app, click Install to connect it. This starts the setup process and allows Slack to begin linking with your Outlook account. At this stage, you may be prompted to approve permissions or continue through a sign-in screen, depending on your organization's settings. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. And that's it. Once the app is installed, Slack and Outlook will be connected, making it easier to bring calendar updates into your daily workflow. If anything doesn't appear right away, give Slack a moment to refresh or reopen the app section to confirm the installation went through. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.